Welcome! If you've ever found yourself scrolling through your feed, wondering how some people manage to turn their online time into income, you're in the right place. Today, I'm excited to share some straightforward ways you can start making money online, even if you're just getting started. Let's dive into freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer have opened up a world of opportunities for those with skills in writing, design, video editing, or coding. The beauty of freelancing is that you can work from anywhere, whether it's your cozy living room or a bustling cafe. If you have a talent or a skill, there's likely someone out there who needs your expertise. Even if you're a beginner, don't let that hold you back. Many freelancers start with small projects to build their portfolios and gain experience. As you complete more jobs and receive positive feedback, you can gradually increase your rates and take on more complex tasks. It's all about starting small and growing your confidence along the way. Another fantastic avenue is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You don't need to have a massive following to get started. Even a small, engaged audience can lead to meaningful income. Share your favorite products on social media, write reviews on a blog, or create engaging content around them. The key is to be authentic and only promote what you truly believe in. Let's not forget about online courses and digital products. If you have knowledge in a specific area, consider creating an online course or an ebook. Platforms like Teachable and Gumroad make it easy to share your expertise with others while generating income. This approach not only allows you to earn money, but also helps others learn and grow. Lastly, consider exploring the world of content creation. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, a podcast, or a blog, sharing your passions can lead to monetization through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise. It's a journey that requires dedication and creativity, but the rewards can be incredibly fulfilling. As you embark on this journey to make money online, remember that consistency and patience are key. It may take time to see significant results, but every small step counts. Embrace the learning process, and don't hesitate to seek out communities and resources that can support you along the way. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more insights and guidance on navigating the online world. Here's to your success in making money online.